Take care of you. I will.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Kiss&Makeup, and in this very short video I'm going to show you guys my pampering / de-stressing routine. So the very first thing that I like to do is remove all of my makeup after a long day. I'm sure all the girls out there that wear makeup know just how relaxing this can be. Once I ensure that my skin is nice and clean, I like to go in with a face mask. The mask that I'm using tonight is by the brand The Ordinary, and this is a chemical exfoliating mask. It is an AHA BHA mask. So with that being said, you're really only supposed to leave this mask on for a maximum of about 10 minutes. To make sure that I don't leave it on too long, I like to set a timer on my phone. When I'm pampering myself, I like to use the Bath & Body Works Sensual Body Wash and Foam Bath because this one is now discontinued, so I really only like to pull it out for special occasions when I want to draw myself a nice bath and just really relax. So I'm not really a wine drinker, cough cough lightweight, so I'm pouring myself some apple cider. And then I like to turn off the lights and relax. When I get out of the bath, I love to put on some cute pajamas, and then I'm going to follow up by using the matching lotion to the body wash that I used. One of my favorite things to do when I'm having a self-love day is write in my prayer journal. I like to write out all of my goals, my dreams. I like to say thank you for everything that I have. And when I close my journal, I always feel so refreshed. I like to keep it right next to my bed so that I can easily reach for it. Another thing that I like to do when I'm pampering myself is, of course, watch some of my favorite TV shows. And when I'm really feeling it, I like to play The Sims, which is basically like my favorite video game that I only really get to play every now and again. And my favorite way to end my self-love routine is by going to sleep. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. Don't forget to show yourself some love today. See you in the next one.